Well, hello everybody. I hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to do some math review for 5th grade. We're going to quick review our multiplication facts. You guys, what is 12 times 6? That's right, it is 72. Ladies and gentlemen, what is 12 times 7? You guys are great. It is 84. What is 12 times 8? You guys are right, it's 96. 12 times 9? Woohoo! It is 108. 12 times 10? You're right, 120. 12 times 11? Ah, you get it. There you are. It's 132, you guys. 12 times 12? Everyone knows this one. It's 144. Great job. And 11 times 11? Yes, it's 121. Let's quick look at this. What is the value of the underlying digit? So I'm looking at this 2. So I'm going to write the 2 down. I'm going to see what digit's behind it. It's a 0. So that is the value of my 2. It is 20. Now I'm going to look at the 4. I see that it's behind my decimal. So because I prefer the 0 in front of the decimal, I'm going to write a 0. 0 point. And it looks like I have 2 numbers before the 4. So I'll put in my 2 zeros and add the 4. So my 4 is 4 thousandths. Now we're multiplying, dividing by powers of 10. Please pay attention to our decimals. So here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and write 71 in my box, my little chart here. And then I need to multiply it by 100. So I know I take this 7 and I'm going to move it 2 places. So my 7's going to be here and my 1's going to be here. And then this will become zeros because I have moved both of my places up by 2. So right here, my answer would be 71. Now I'm going to take my 71. I'm going to just write it here. And now I'm going to divide by 10. So I need to move my 7 and my 1 down backwards by 1 place value. So I'll delete my 1. And I'm going to add it here. I'm going to delete my 7. And I'm going to move it over. Delete it. And there's the answer for that one. Here we go. 800 is 1/10 of the value of what number? So this is saying 800 times 10 is value of what number? 800 is 1/10 the value. So what is 800 times 10, you guys? You're right, 8,000. What would be 1/10 the value of the 4? So I'm just going to quick right here, just so that I have it, put my number there, and I need it 1/10 the value. So that means I need to move my decimal. So 1/10 of 4 is 4/10, you guys. Oops, write a 4. Here we go. Put the following numbers in decreasing order. So look at this, you guys. I have 282. They're all the same. So I'm just going to quick highlight the 282. 282. All the same color because I see that they're the exact same number right there. Okay, so I'm going to look at this first number. It's a 0. Oh, new number. Oh, this one's a 1. It's a different number than the 0. And here's a 0. Now it's asking for decreasing number, which means I want to start off with the biggest number. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the largest number and work my way to the smallest. So greatest to least. Remember, it's decreasing. So I'm going to start off with 282 and 104 thousandths. So this would be my first number right here. Right here, first. Now I've got to figure out between these two which one to go next. So I'm looking at this. I have a 4 and I have a 2. You guys are right. This 4 is bigger. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and then I'm going to put a 3 here. So I'm going to write my numbers like this, 1, 2, 3. Now I need to round 24.3 to the nearest whole number. Remember, you guys, I showed you guys to highlight the number you're rounding to. So I'm rounding to this 4. What is this 3 telling the 4 to do? If you remember the song, remember 5 or more, you raise the score, 4 or less, you let it rest. So this should stay, and then make sure you put zeros in sight. So it'd be 24.0. Now we're going to subtract. Remember, all you got to do is click inside this box, hit edit. I'm going to go to the line and I'm going to scribble. Remember, I am using my finger so I can do this. 5,232 subtract 2,308. I'm going to go ahead and subtract. I say I need to regroup. This 3 becomes a 2. This 2 becomes a 12. I'm going to go ahead and regroup all the way across because I know I cannot take 3 away from 2. So I'm going to go ahead and just quick regroup. So now I've got to do is quick subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And remember, all you got to do now is hit save and close. And it shows me your answer. Do your best to be able to show me your answer. Remember to have a great day and to remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.